What's good, everybody? It's your boy Rob back with another video, and I'm here to do an official Apple leather case unboxing for the iPhone Pro 13 Pro, however you want. You know what I'm talking about. Anyhow, first off, if this is your first time here, please by all means hit that subscribe button and that notification bell for other videos like this. Now, I do have some other accessories coming, but I did decided to do a quick video just featuring this particular iPhone accessory. I normally don't buy iPhone accessories. They're kind of a little bit on the expensive side, but this time I decided to splurge and pick up this leather case. Now this one does retail for $59.99 at Best Buy. This does come in midnight, golden brown. They have a sequoia green. They got a purple color that they kind of call wisteria. And it comes in cherry leather, which is kind of a little on the unique side. But I went with this dark midnight leather color one. And I'm looking forward to testing it out. Now this particular case does complement your iPhone, makes it look really nice. Eco-friendly box. Let's check out how to open this up. All right, slide right out. Now this is made from a specifically tanned leather, finished leather. The outside feels real soft to the touch, and over time it does develop a natural patina over time. Now it does keep your this case does keep your phone safe at all times. And it is MagSafe compatible. Feels really nice, hard feel to it. This is not for drop protection, so keep that in mind. This is not for drop protection. You might get a little bit of protection, but if you did, consider yourself lucky. Cutouts are on point. A much wider opening for the new camera system with a ridge around there to protect the camera and allow you to lay the camera down flat on its back with this case. Check out the feel. You can hear the MagSafe connector connect to the back of the phone. Again, raised ridge right there to protect that camera. And with this new camera system, protrudes out even further. So this is an added plus. Really nice Apple logo right there in the middle. Very minimal look to it. No cutouts on the top. You have individual buttons for the power and for the volume rocker, and a small opening for the silent and ringer switch. You do have a nice volume button, a power button. Power button is tactile and works fine. Volume rocker is on point, no problem with that. Does have raised lip capability, so you can lay it face down, so you don't have to worry about damaging your screen. And all iPhone cases are screen protector friendly, so you really shouldn't have any problems with it. So again, hold up, first off, let's check out what's on the inside too. Some instructions on how to put it in the case, how to put the case on your phone. So that pretty much does it for this video, the iPhone leather case. I will leave the links to this down below. And by all means, feel free to use any links that I do leave, because it does help the channel out. I really do appreciate it. And real quick note, two of the best places to always get your Apple products is either straight from the Apple store or from Best Buy. I didn't really feel like standing in a long line at the Apple store to pick up this case, so Best Buy was a way more convenient way of picking up this case. So again, by all means, if you like this video, thumbs up, subscribe, and other than that, I'll catch you in the next video. I'm out.